Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make heart-shaped chocolate sugar cookies. So let's get started. First, in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened butter and sugar and beat them on high speed for about 1 minute. Then turn the speeds down to low and add in the egg and vanilla extract and beat the mixture on high speed for another minute, and then turn off the machine. Then in a heat-proof bowl, add the chocolate chips and melt them either in the microwave or over a double boiler. And be sure to let it cool down to room temperature. Then add it into the rest of the mixture. You want it at room temperature so it doesn't melt the butter in the mixture. Then beat it in until it's well combined. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add it to the rest of the mixture and mix it in on low speed until it's just combined. Then finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then wrap the dough in plastic wrap. And flatten it out into a disc. And place it into the fridge for at least an hour, or you can do what I did, which is to place it into the freezer for 15 minutes. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Lightly sprinkle some flour onto the countertop and place half of the dough on top. Then flour the top and roll it out until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. And if the dough is hard to work with, just knead it slightly. And then roll it out again until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Then use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out heart shapes. Set aside the cut out heart shapes for now. Then gather up the remaining dough. Roll it out again, and then cut out more heart shapes. Then place the cookies onto a baking sheet. Then bake them in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes. Then repeat the process again with the other half of the dough. Once the cookies are done baking, remove them from the oven, let them cool for about 2 minutes, and transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Then to make the sugar cookie frosting, sift the powdered sugar into a medium bowl. Then add in the shortening. Then mix them by hand. And add in the milk and vanilla extract. And mix them with an electric mixer on low speed at first. Then beat it on high speed until it's well combined. And finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then add a few drops of red food coloring into different places. And then gently swirl it in. You don't want to mix it in completely. Then once the sugar cookies have cooled completely, just frost them with the frosting. And then finish them off with sprinkles. And that's how to make heart-shaped chocolate sugar cookies. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.